I've been beating the crap out of this for the past half hour and then cruising when I catch up to traffic. I'm at 11.4 liters per 100, which is, I have no idea what it is in miles per gallon. Well guys, I wanted to get some twisties, but my GoPro died, so if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. I'm gonna go bring it into twisties and show you what the SH all-wheel drive is really about. I don't do it often, but because it gets expensive on the tires, but it hugs the road so good. I mean, it's just